Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you shared something with others. So you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, sharing is the best way to express your emotions and the care for others, and it can create a good bond between the person with whom you share. There were plethora of things came in my mind when I think about sharing of things, but I would like to tell the experience which I have faced when I was in when I was in ninth standard. I got my personal room, and one day when I came back from college, so I was very surprised to see my younger brother was in my room, and I came to know that my mom said from now he will live with you. First of all, I became so sad, but but my mom but my mom helped me out, and she advised me to share things with others. I don't want to compromise on my privacy on that time, but with the support of my brother, I feel confident, and by spending time with my brother, I feel comfortable because there were a lot of things which were common uh, between between me and him. So we play together, we play games, and we spend a lot of time together by watching movies, and he helped me a lot in doing studies and in my assignments. So it was very great experience for me.
All right, 1 minute 29 seconds, which is good. So you talked about a lot of extra things as well. It's better to stay focused. Describe our time means one occasion. You shared something. Something means one item. One time you shared one item with others, other singular or plural. Okay. All right. Overall, it's fine. You spoke for 1 minute 31 seconds. You spoke fluently as well. Just focus two things: the clarity of your answer, and second, organization of your answer. Be specific. In Q card, you have to be specific, right?
All right.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. Uh, do you like to share?
Yes, I would like to share the things with others because it makes me happy, and it makes me happy, and I would like to share things. Uh,
Okay, what are now? See that it's a repetitive
Mhm.
tone, so it should not be repetitive
Yes, sir.
tone, right?
Okay.
Repetition is the band killer in IELTS. How do you feel about sharing home or accommodation with other people?
Well, it depends on situation. If you have to if we have to share the room with our relatives or with friends, we feel comfortable. While if we have to share our personal room with the others whom we don't know, so it would be quite challenging for us.
Okay, that's good. So looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 6, but with a very minor improvement, you can make it 6.5.
Yes, sir.
And for 7, yes, you got to organize your answers properly
Yes, sir.
and focus that things should not be repeated. Okay,
Okay, all right.
thank you.